What is going on, crypto bros? So I know the market's taking some hits and you're probably sitting there being all sad. Don't be sad anymore because we're going to make it better. But how could we do that? Well, as the market comes back up and as it takes spikes and dips, which is just part of the game, I have something cool to show you called Zinrai. I will be teaching people through this different ways that they can trade. So if that interests you, and you want to build a following, or you just want to build a following and help them, well, this is also for you. So plenty here. Got Zinrai Q live, ideas, elevate, and courses. We're going to check them out, but before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research or due diligence and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Okay, what the heck is this? Zinrai sounds cool. So here, when you sign up to Zinrai, which will be a link down below and in my profile, you can go ahead, click on that. This is an all-in-one way to build a business. How? First, it teaches you how to trade, and that's Zinrai Elevate. So when I say trade, I don't mean just some dude on YouTube saying, candlestick, the dip here, this will be good, a whole training suite. And here we can see foreign exchange, stocks, digital marketing, e-com, everything. So you can start these courses. Now these are world-class educators. As I said, not just your average YouTuber saying, bro, Doge is cool. Yes, Doge is cool, but that doesn't tell me anything. That doesn't tell me what to do. I want a real course. Think about it like this. If your brain surgeon just said, hey, I watched a couple of YouTube videos, would you be cool with that? Probably not. So here you can learn stocks, crypto, Forex, digital marketing, e-com, all the good stuff, and even rocket as you go on your Android or your Apple. So that is how you can really become quite good at this, and here you can start the different courses. That's why I think this is so cool. You can see the educators here. You can even see their channels and their full week schedule, and they go live. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you've been wanting to learn how to do this, it's right at your fingertips. And you have the Zinrai courses all here. The foreign exchange course, the e-commerce course, and they look really, really cool, don't they? So you can see who's behind them in digital marketing. Not only that, but this helps you to build a social media following through Zinrai. So you can learn from ideas. How can you build an actual following? How can you get in front of people? Not just, okay, cool, that's something that's interesting, but actually building a business out of it. So you mean I never have to trade? I can just utilize ideas, build my social media following, and get in front of people? Yes, absolutely you can. And we can see how to implement the ideas here. Forex, crypto, all the pairs. What are your crypto ideas? Well, this can give you all the idea where to go bullish, where to go bearish, or where just to take a look which one's active, which one's invalid. This is what I love, giving you all the information that you need in one place. And as people see you crushing it, they're going to say, you got so much education, you're a smarty. Yes, I am. Or maybe I'm not. But you get loyalty rewards as well, and that's exclusive points to recognize the most dedicated members. So if you're dedicated, you can get rewards here. You can also get rewards right here if you come to your profile and you get the link. So you can just go ahead and copy this, call it, and you can see your sponsor right here. So guys, I'm going to make this really simple for you. We have the way to trade to become an expert. Zinrai ideas, how you can build everything, and even the courses here. So if you want to build a social media following, guys, it is possible with digital marketing, with e-commerce, with everything. They have the courses here, so you can not only become amazing in how to build your own trading empire, but also your own networking empire as well with digital marketing courses. And then you just simply put that link, the referral link, right down below like I did, and let other people learn from you. So I'm Kareem, this is Zinrai. Super excited to see you. Check the link in my profile bio as well as down below depending on what platform you're watching. Thank you, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll have more updates with Zinrai and teaching you, showing you more about it, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.